Have you ever noticed something strange? Thousands of people start AI channels every year. They upload videos, they learn new tools, they work for weeks or even months, but most of them never reach 100 subscribers. Not 1,000, not 10,000, just 100. So why does this happen? Is it because they're lazy? Is it because AI is too competitive? Or is there something else nobody talks about? Today, I'm breaking down the real reasons why most AI creators never reach 100 subscribers. And if you're currently trying to grow an AI channel, this video might save you months of frustration. Most new creators believe one thing. They think AI is a shortcut. They see videos claiming make money with AI, grow fast with AI, start an AI business. And naturally, they assume AI will make everything easier. But here's the problem. AI can help create content. AI can help generate ideas. AI can even save time. But AI cannot force people to watch your videos. The audience doesn't care how fast you made the content. They only care if the content is interesting. And many creators learn this lesson too late. This is one of the biggest mistakes I see. New creators spend hours looking for the perfect AI tool. They test ChatGPT. They test image generators. They test automation software. But they forget to ask an important question. Why would someone click on this video? The truth is simple. People don't watch tools. People watch stories. People watch problems. People watch transformations. That's why two channels can use the exact same AS tools and get completely different results. One understands the audience. The other only understands the software. This is probably the biggest reason. Most creators quit before YouTube even understands their channel. They upload 5 videos. Nothing happens. They upload 10 videos, still nothing. Then they quit. What they don't realize is that YouTube needs time. The algorithm needs data. The audience needs time to discover you. Many successful channels look completely invisible during their first few months. Growth rarely happens in a straight line. It's often slow. Then suddenly something clicks. But many creators never stay long enough to reach that moment. Another mistake is copying everything. A creator sees a successful AI video. They copy the title, copy the thumbnail, copy the topic, and then wonder why nobody watches. Here's the reality. People already have the original creator. They don't need another copy. The channels that eventually grow usually develop their own style, their own voice, their own perspective. Even if the topic is similar, the way they present it feels unique, and that's what audiences remember. So what should creators focus on instead? First, focus on improving every video, not perfection, improvement. Second, focus on storytelling. A good story beats a good tool. Third, focus on consistency. Not for 1 week, not for 1 month, for the long term. And finally, focus on learning from every upload. Every video gives feedback. Every thumbnail teaches something. Every mistake teaches something. That's how channels grow. Not overnight, but over time. So why do most AI creators never reach 100 subscribers? Because they expect quick results. They focus on tools instead of people. They copy instead of creating. And most importantly, they quit too early. If you're serious about growing an AI channel, remember this. Your first goal isn't viral success. Your first goal is survival. Stay consistent, keep improving, and give yourself enough time to learn. Before you go, watch my video. I tried being an AI creator for 30 days. Here's what I learned. It connects perfectly with this topic and explains the lessons I learned from my own journey. And if you enjoy real AI creator experiments, subscribe and stay tuned for the next challenge. See you in the next video.